How to fix common Android app crashes. Hey guys, welcome back. If your Android apps keep crashing out of nowhere, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to fix common app crashes on your phone. So let's dive right in. First, go to Settings, scroll down, and look for Applications and Notifications, or just Apps, depending on your model. Then go to App Manager. Now find the app that's crashing, and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage, and then hit Clear Cache. If it still doesn't work, try tapping Clear Data, but keep in mind this may reset the app. Next up, go back and make sure the app is fully updated. Open the Play Store, search for the app, and hit Update if available. Still crashing? Sometimes a simple restart does the trick, so go ahead and reboot your phone. If the issue continues, make sure your phone is running the latest version of Android. Updates often fix bugs that cause crashes. Last tip, if none of that helps, uninstall and reinstall the app. Fresh installs usually solve deeper problems. And that's it. Try these simple fixes and your crashing app should be back on track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech help. See you in the next one.